Hi everyone! Huge thanks for making one of my shorts viral. That's amazing. Your support is truly fantastic. So, this video is for you. It will show you step by step how to make the friendship bracelet. I'll be using 100% cotton yarn and I'll be doing it just in 3 colors. I'm also going to be using my 4mm hook, which is best if you have 3 strands. First, you will have to do a slip knot. Just make a loop and pull it over the short bit and then pull through. Insert your hook, pull it tight to close the knot, and then just yarn over and pull through. Next step is you'll have to go back into the same beginning loop and pull up another loop. And now you will work like a single crochet, but be careful that the second loop, it's not easy to work just like pulling it through, especially if you're working with cotton. So you'll have to just do like I'm doing, just hold it a little bit and then pull through. After this part, everything else, every other stitch should be worked quite easily. Now you go back into that second loop, pull up the yarn and make another single crochet. Try not to work too tight, just because it's gonna be difficult to go through that second loop if it's too tight. So either use a 4mm if you feel like it works well. If not, just increase 4.5, even 5mm. It's gonna be a looser bracelet, which should look nice. And if you add more strands, more colors, obviously you will have to adjust the hook size. Always go maybe a little bit bigger to make it easier to work. And this is all you have to do to make this beautiful crochet friendship bracelet. So just work, and then at some point you'll have to measure your wrist to see if it fits or not yet. So for the closure, I just opted for the easiest thing possible, because I used to do friendship bracelet with knots. So this way, just by making 2 very tight knots and then cutting the excess yarn, it's the easiest way to just put it on your wrist, and then you can easily slide it off, especially if it's really good cotton or even acrylic. Acrylic is elastic. You can slide it off, trim the ends, and you can always put it back on easily. So you can do this, or if you have any closure type at home, you can just use those. Anything you have, you can attach it to the knots you've made at each end, or just by using those pinch ones that you clip on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for all the views, and I hope this video will get as many views as my short. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.